This is a demo that shows the integration of the Google Sheets with SAP using the ABAP SDK. On the screen here, you see a SAP program that allows you to enter the Google Sheets ID and the sheet name. This is nothing but the Google Sheet, and you can get the ID from here. So what the program will initially do is, once you enter the ID and the sheet name, which in our case would be sheet 2, it will fetch all of these details and show it in a program. Let's click on execute. Now once you click on execute, you get all the data maintained in the Google Sheets displayed in the ALV within the ABAP program. Here we have a total of close to 19 records. Yeah, so we have a total of 18 records here, which are displayed here as well. Now let's try to perform some changes to the existing data. We click on the edit button and let's change some things. So for instance, I want to change the name of this from jeans to, let's say, jeans brand 1, and I want to change the quantity to 5,000, for instance. Oops, 5,000, right? I want to perform a delete operation, so I'll delete the last line for clears, and I'll perform a update operation with some values. So we have performed one delete, one update, and one new insert. We deleted glares and added a line for glares too with some different values. We changed the material name and we deleted a line. Now let's click on save. As soon as we click on save, it says the data is updated successfully. Now let's go to the Google Sheets and see if we have the same reflected. Now as we can see here, this is the new entry that got added. This value has changed and the previous value got deleted. So that was a quick demo on how we can use the ABAP SDK to interact with the Google Sheets and perform the different operations such as insert, update, and delete using a SAP program. Thank you.